lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Paige by Margu in the color 31H. I would like to address the elephant in the room, and that is that this looks oddly reminiscent of an Aesthetica wig called Hunter that I reviewed in a similar brunette shade, even though this one's a little bit more auburn. I reviewed that one, loved it, and so I'm very happy to tell you I love this Paige wig too. I don't even care if it's shamelessly derivative. It's adorable. I also love this color palette. Margu has terrible color swatches and really pretty colors. So make sure you contact our help desk if you need any assistance with those. I'm kind of fluffing this up so I can showcase the layers for you. I love this kind of hopelessly shattered texture. I love the bang on this. The price is also quite nice because it doesn't have any monofilament features. This is really kind of like the best case scenario for an open cap wig if you're gonna get like a bob. It's so fresh and cute looking. Let me go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what Paige looks like on all sides. I have to sort of push this off to the side somewhere, but the great thing is you can basically move it anywhere you want. There's that really shattered texture. I'm gonna go ahead and take Paige off now so I can show you the cap construction. This one has identical cap construction to the Hunter. So standard top has permatease, a little bit of felt right here at the front hairline, wefted on the sides, and in the back has an open nape. It is an extended nape with Velcro adjusters. I love that. We also have open ear tabs that are easier to wear glasses with than the closed kind, and they are slightly under knotted. This is a relatively stretchy wig, and so this felt very comfortable on. I would say that this still fits average, but could accommodate average large. And here's a look at that texture one more time up close. It's completely shattered here at the ends. And by that, I mean, you can't really see a defined curl pattern. It's just got this vague sort of wavy texture, and every little section is facing a slightly different direction in a slightly different way. And the layers are cut to be deliberately uneven. So they're very different textures all throughout, very different lengths. And so that gives it this appearance. That's what we mean when we say shattered. Now this will have some poof to it, especially at the top. If you're not a fan of permatease, this probably is not going to be the style for you. But I love some permatease. Depends on the wig and depends on how I'm feeling, really. But there you go. This is the Paige from Margu in the color 31H. If you want to know more about this 31H color, make sure you stay tuned to that color spotlight. It's going to be on our CysterWigs 2 YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe to both so you don't miss any of our color videos or wig reviews. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.